Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I just want to show you guys real quick, look what just came in the mail today. And if you want to see me do a video using these products, please comment down below and let me know real soon. It's Juvias Place, y'all. I have yet to try Juvias Place. I have one palette from them, as you guys know, the Saharan palette, and basically I only use one shade in that palette called Casina to set my lids. So I decided to go, well, real quick, let me just show you guys. I got this matte metallic liquid lipstick. This is a huge packet for a lipstick, the Empress lipstick collection. Oh, there's two lipsticks in here. Wow, one fell out. How you guys doing? I just went outside real quick. I had to go to the post office to pick this up. Well, yeah, I always wanted some dark lips, so I got these liquid lipsticks. All of these products were on sale. Can you stop making noise? And real quick, let me just swatch it for you guys. I have a pot on the stove right now, but it's not quite done yet. Let me see how this looks on this. You guys, ooh, that's really dark, but I could see myself wearing this when I wear a full face. Of course, highlighters has to be gold and beaming. Boop, 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 boop. That looks sexy. I can't wait to doze up with this. And the metallic, this is the same shade, but it's the metallic one to go with it. I had no clue it was two lips. I had no clue it was two lip products coming. I thought it was just gonna be the metallic ones. So this is quite cool. I'm trying to get this open before, you know, my minutes is up. If you ask me what I'm cooking rice, cabbage, and curry chicken. If you like curry, comment down below. It's my favorite dish. Right now, besides Africa, I want to go to India because I have Indian in my blood. I actually did an ancestral DNA test. I just have to wait for the results to come in. Okay, this one, see how beautiful that is. The results actually did come in, but I have to be like in front of a computer, and my computer is actually on its way. So when it gets here, I will be able to see, but I'm sure I have some type of Indian in me. So this is what the metallic looks like, and oh, it is. Oh my god, you guys, this is so sexy. I know it looks messy right now because I'm just really quickly doing this thing. Then I got the I Am Magic Velvety Matte Foundation. You guys know I have a big problem with finding the right shades of foundation. I'm always buying foundation online. I need to stop that, and I'm really gonna stop. So the shade I got was Real. I swear, up and down, you guys, I did all types of things trying to compare this shade to my skin tone. So I pray to God it's on point. I really do. So let's see real quick. Look at that. That's crazy. Like, how could I ever get my right shade ever? Like, this is really crazy. I don't know. I'm done buying foundation online. I always have to go through this crap, and you cannot get Juvia's Place at Sephora. And I've always wanted to try Juvia's Place, and that's why I always gotta end up putting on a foundation lighter than my skin tone. Because what I did, I compared it to my neck, and I know that I have golden undertones, but currently my face is kind of reddish. But I always try to match my foundation to my neck. And look at me here, looking like friggin' the Joker. Alright, so I got the highlighter. This highlighter is beaming, y'all, and I cannot wait to try it. Let me see if I can peel this off. Ooh, that chicken smells so good. So now what I gotta do? I don't know. Juvia's Place, would you exchange this foundation for me? It's so complicated. Like, I bet you if I take the foundation now, and I go on the website and I compare to real online, it's gonna be so different. Like, or regardless, how do you females out there find y'all shades online? Because, like, usually I know there's a shade finder and stuff. I really did not see that on the website. So real quick, I'm just gonna touch this highlighter really quick. Oh, I need a little more. I really wanted something that would have me glowing for the springtime and for the summertime. And yes, so this looks like it will go really good with them lips. You guys, what do you think? Comment down below. Next, I think this is the setting powder that I got. And this is in the shade Kalahari. By the way, that highlighter is in the shade Nubia. So this is the setting powder. And this is what it looks like. Yeah, yellow. I really wanted a yellow setting powder. I'm still kind of like, I'm trying to figure out if I'm on the right path using this foundation, and it's so full coverage. I'm wondering if I'm on the right path using this foundation on my face to build, but then again, like, my skin is so two-toned. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got next to help that way. Oh my god. And this is a concealer that's supposed to have been paired up with that foundation, and if the foundation is lighter than the concealer, like, I swear to you, on the website it was none of that. It was not even like that. I'm just gonna put some on my hands right now. It seems like the concealer is way darker than the foundation. See, this is not even my skin tone. I don't know what's going on with my skin. I don't know if it's I don't know what it is. Do you guys have any suggestions? Now I have to contact Juvias Place and explain to them that, or probably just, because now the foundations, they went up though. The prices on the website at the time when I had bought it, it was $10. Now the foundations is $20, and it's buy two get one free. So then I bought this blush palette, the Saharan Blush Palette Volume 2, and this is what it looks like. And I bought it because I specifically wanted to get this contour shade right here. But again, look at how different that looks. Like, it looks so, on the website, it looks super dark. Because I'm trying to get my hands on the Physicians Formula butter bronzer in the darkest shade, because I tend to love to, like, when I'm wearing makeup, I love to wear like my gold earrings and highlights and stuff, and I want that really, like, real Egyptian goddess type of look. Like, I don't know how to achieve that, so I'm gonna try my best to achieve that look, and as soon as I come up with it, I'm gonna post it online. That's this color right here. So that's called Sola. This one is called Zoba. Zoba is right there. It's really glowy. And I'm gonna go with B. B is a beautiful like maroon type of color. But as you guys can tell by the sound of my voice, I'm already disappointed that my foundations look like this. So I look like that lady who applies the, like, I don't know if you guys see her on YouTube, but she applies on her clients when she's doing videos. She applies a lighter skin, a lighter tone foundation for clickbait. So now I'm gonna be looking like clickbait, right? Oh well, this is a mess. You guys get to see me messy like this today. But besides that, I'm in love with this. I'm in love with everything here. This pink is really cute and nice and gorgeous, and I cannot wait. I'm gonna let you guys know what Juvias Place did to assist me with this struggles. It's real, y'all, and I can't even like go outside as much as I want to right now unless I have a big ass bottle of Purell in my hands. So I hope you guys have a good one. Take care. Bye.